Hey, I'm Samantha with Aspiring Writer Academy, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. And today I am so excited to be talking about email signatures and how you can create a custom email signature for your offer email. And I'm going to be using Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. So in Microsoft Outlook, to add an email signature to your offer email, first log in the Outlook. If you only have one email in Outlook, you'll automatically be on that. If you have multiple, you can select the email you want to add an email signature to. Navigate over to this little wheel icon for settings. And then from there, you can go to Accounts, Your Accounts, Signatures. Clicking on Signatures, it would probably appear on your first email, or if you have multiple, you can scroll down to the email account that you want to add a signature to. I'm adding one to offer Darlene Panzera's email. And then I cleared the email signature. So right here, it says no signature yet. Create your first signature. You can click Add Signature. And then you're going to give your email signature a name. That way you can identify it if you wanted multiple signatures for different reasons. I'm going to give this one just my mom's name. Okay, and sometimes Microsoft Outlook doesn't give you a lot of settings on the ribbon for customization. And so I'm also going to be using Microsoft Word for designing a little bit of the Outlook and then pasting it here into Outlook. So right here in Microsoft Word, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Insert Table, and then I'm going to select 2. And then I'm going to go to Home, Insert, then Pictures, and then this device. And I'm going to select a graphic that I made for the email signature. You can just upload your headshot if that's all you have. But right here, I added this nice little divider line that I feel like adds a clean look for the email signature. The image I created is 165 pixels by 200 pixels. And so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to click Insert. And then I'm going to drag this line over here. Don't worry, I'll remove the divider lines in a little bit. Make that look cleaner. And then I'm going to add my text. And instead of completely black text automatic, I'm going to choose a softer gray. I feel like that looks a little bit better on computer screens. And then to hide the table, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside of my table and I'm going to highlight it. Then I'm going to right click on the little square icon here. And then I'm going to navigate over to borders here. And I'm going to scroll up and select no borders. Then I'm going to right click my table and click copy. Going to minimize and return back to Outlook. So I'm going to hit Control V to paste my email signature into Outlook. And that all looks good. And so I'm going to click Set Default for new messages and Set Default for replies and forwards. If you wanted a different email signature for different circumstances, you could just check one of those, or you can select both. And I'm going to click Save. So right here, I have email signature set. I'm going to show you how that looks when composing a new email. Exiting that out. New mail. And right there, that's how this email signature looks when typing an email out. And so this automatic footer would be on every email. And that's how you set up an email signature in Microsoft Outlook and using Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content in this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified each time we come out with future videos all about writing, publishing, and promoting your books. And if you'd like some help with your own story, be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's jam-packed with a bunch of fill-in-the-blank templates and story examples to help you get started with your own novel. And it has a few bonus pages as well. You can get that in the link in the description below. All right, catch you next time.